Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today we are going to be working on the Integra some more, and actually the Civic too. So I got the Integra right here. You pull it inside the garage, and then the Civic right here. So what we're going to be doing is actually taking the function forms off of the Civic and putting it on the Integra, and taking the H&Rs off of the Integra and putting on the Civic. So pretty much swapping it over, just getting ready to sell the Civic. There's been so much going on, but yeah, let's get the Integra in, get the front suspension off, and then we'll go work on the Civic and swap them. Got the Integra in the garage, so I was going to jack it up. I kind of see where we are sitting for how high the fender is. Right under 23 inches for the front, and about 23.5 inches on the rear. Kind of go a little bit lower, not much, because it is a daily. Yeah, the function form. Oh, maybe like 3/4 inch lower in the back, and maybe like a 1/2 inch lower in the front. Okay, let's jack it up, get the wheels off, and let's pull it off. It's not going to be a how-to video. It's going to pretty much just be a quick video on me swapping the suspension. Just like that. Super simple to get these out. These are the H&R sports springs. I thought they sat pretty good, but I'd rather have the function form on since I'm selling the Civic. So let's go out to the Civic and get the thing jacked up and get the coilovers off. Alright, got the Civic jacked up, wheels off. The only difference is function form sends you new nuts for the top here, and there's 17. So 17 there, and the rest should be the same. Oh, look at that. They're practically brand new. Maybe like 500 miles on them, if that. So let's get these off and put them on the Integra.
Come follow me to a secret place where only the moon can see. Beyond the shores, there is something more just waiting for you and me.
Alright, got the coilovers out in the front. Here's a comparison of the two. So of course I'm going to have to adjust these to go higher up because I'm not going to be slammed in the Integra. But hopefully I get it first try. And probably clean these off. But first let's get these put in the Civic and then clean these up and put them on the Integra.
That you're yearning for something more. I feel the waves around me shaking me to my core.
Got the H&R springs on. Man, not gonna lie to you, that was a pain in the butt. The driver's side took me like 40 minutes, 45 minutes to do. I couldn't get the bottom fork bolt to go through the lower control arm. Couldn't get it lined up. Finally, after trial and trial, pushing it down, jacking up the one side, I got to go through. Of course, that was the side I was filming, and this, oh, you can't see, oh yeah, there you go. The suspension side took like 5 minutes. Oh my gosh. The Civic looks so funny this high up. Not used to it at all. Alright, wipe down the coilovers, made sure the threads were nice and clean. Now to make the adjustment, which we are going higher, we'll loosen this up and turn it down. I'll just count how many turns I do and do equal to both sides.
There's something right about tonight. I come alive inside your eyes.
Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay, got the back jacked up. This will be pretty simple. You got 14 millimeter here and 14 millimeter here to pull down the rear control arm. Then in the hatch, you got the two 14 millimeters right here. Okay, got the rear coilovers out from the Civic. I'm going to do these first, get it on the car, and then deal with the Civic a little later. I got some more errands to run. I had to stop for a few hours. But, yep, so I'm going to adjust these, slap them on the car, and then see what the ride height looks like. Okay, just got the Civic on jack stand. The back ones aren't on. I got a few more things I want to do tomorrow. But got the Integra all done. So time to lower it down, see how it looks. Alright. So that's probably where I want it. Maybe it's a little bit too low. It'll settle out, of course. No gap there, really. A little one there. I mean, not much. Pretty much going up to get the top. Dang. Dude, Integra is looking freaking good. I'll take some measurements now and see how low we went. Alright. You know who it is, baby. Alright. See where we're at. Already forgot what we had for the beginning, but I'll put it on. Okay. 22 3/4. Right under that. And then for the front, we're at 22 1/2. Of course you can't see, but 22 1/2. So 22 1/2 in the front and 22 and just right under 3/4 in the rear. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. What do you guys think of what's happening to the Integra? I know a lot of you guys have been following me for the EJ1 content. Who knows, maybe a few years once I move down to Florida, I'll get another one. I mean, it's kind of sad seeing it like this. It's been sitting here. Haven't even driven it this year, I don't think. Pretty much just drove it over here to the side of the house. I was getting it ready. But yeah. What do you guys think of the fitment? Try and go in a more function since this is my daily. But I think it's a good ride height. We'll see how it settles out. I need to go run a few more errands. So, yeah. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. Of course, function for I'm glad I got these for the EJ1. And I'm super happy to have it now on my daily and on the Integra. That's another reason why I like having both these cars, because you can just swap the parts. But yeah, that's going to pretty much wrap it up for this video. I know I said that before, but hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, and hopefully you guys have a good night. Until next time, peace out. wipe down.